I'm Doug Smitty of Smitty's Gardening Services here on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, and welcome to my garden. Today we're here to talk about low-maintenance gardening. I cannot overemphasize the importance of planning ahead, not just what you're going to plant, but how you're going to space them out. So on your way home from the garden store, you're going to stop at your stationery store and buy yourself a little spiral notebook. There's many advantages to using this. A, you can draw out on paper where you're going to put your plants and how to space them out, and use a pencil, which I need to use because I make a lot of corrections. I make a lot of mistakes, especially spelling. But anyway, this will be your best friend, not only to plan ahead so you can see where the plants go, instead of having to dig them up again or replant, things like that, but you can use it from year to year to see what did I do last year, because you also want to remember you want to rotate your crops around every year. So planning ahead is very, very important. I've been doing this for years. And again, with a spiral notebook, you can just look back and see what you did the previous year. Very important.